Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. If your Instagram Reels are lagging or taking too long to load, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple methods to fix the lag and enjoy a smooth Reels experience. Let's get started. The first thing we'll do is open the Instagram app and head to your profile by tapping the profile picture in the bottom right corner. Once you're there, tap the three lines in the top right corner and open Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you see Data Usage and Media Quality and tap on it. Now, if you have the Use Less Mobile Data option enabled, that could be the reason for the lag. Instagram saves data by loading lower quality videos, which might cause slow performance. Turn off this option, and it should help your Reels load faster. If you're on Android, the next thing to check is your app cache. Over time, Instagram stores temporary files that can slow down the app. This should help speed things up. If you're using an iPhone, the best way to clear cache is by reinstalling the app, which we'll cover in the next step. If clearing the cache didn't fix the issue, or if you're on an iPhone, it's time to reinstall the app. Uninstall Instagram from your device. Head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and install it again. This will refresh the app and make sure you're running the latest version with all the recent bug fixes. Another common reason for Reels lagging is a weak or unstable internet connection. Make sure you have a strong Wi-Fi or mobile data signal. If you're experiencing issues, try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. You can also restart your router to refresh the connection. And that's it! By following these steps, you should be able to fix any lagging issues with Instagram Reels. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next one.